Hi, I'm Annie Woods for Moms Every Day, and from Swift Urgent Clinic for Orthopedics, I'm here with Bruce Gallio, physician assistant. Thanks so much for being here with us. Let's talk a little bit about why somebody would choose to go to Swift Urgent Clinic versus going to an emergency room when they have an orthopedic issue.
Well, the emergency room is very good at treating life-threatening injuries. Fortunately, most injuries are not life-threatening. So at Swift Clinic, we have the ability to give you access to a specialty trained provider that is trained only to treat orthopedic injuries. That way we can save you the time of going to the emergency room, we can save you the exposure to all the sick people that are sitting in the waiting room at the emergency room, and also the significant cost of the emergency room. Swift is much less expensive than that.
Absolutely, and you have a lot of hours that you're open that's maybe much more convenient for people. So weekends as well, Saturdays?
Correct.
And late hours. So this gives people a lot of choices when they have, because it's never convenient when something goes wrong with a bone. Well, thank you so much. And if you'd like to learn more on this topic, you can visit kolotv.com. Thanks for watching.